Hi. So, I was building my keyboard, and I'm just gonna show you. I'm not gonna plug in the daughter board, but I'm just gonna show you, like, the problem I'm in. Here. There you go, Panging. So, I'm putting in my keyboard. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, look! My switches fall out. Let me put it back in. Oh, what did you say? It fell out again. Let me put it back in. Maybe just a bit harder this time. Put all the switches in. It's in. Oh my god, I hate this. And oh, that one fell out now. Oh, I'm gonna put this one back in. So you can see I put it back in. There you go. Oh, that one fell out. Oh, let me put this one back in. I've been doing this for hours. Please help.